Hi everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will be reviewing the IKEA Frysdal Bed, walking you through its unboxing assembly and how it looks and performs after years of use. If you are planning to buy this bed, this video will give you a detailed idea of its feature, accessories and overall experience. So I'm using this bed for last 3 years and let's get started. Okay, so I start with this entire frame and bed. So it costs around 20,000 and either you can buy it directly from IKEA store or from Amazon website. So this is something that after putting 2 mattresses on it, so this is how it looks like as a couch. So definitely you can put some pillow and cushions behind over it and then it will give you very smooth and good couch experience. It's very good to sit and lie on it. So this is how you can see the structure. It's very easy to assemble and there are hundreds of videos available on YouTube, so you can follow any one of the video. It is very easy to slide. So for example, a single person can use it with single hand and easily. If I show you that how you can slide it, so you have to lift this bed a little up from the front and you have to slide it, and this is how it is very easy to slide it. I'm using it from very long time and there is no such complaint about it because the entire mechanism is very smooth. If you use wooden bed, definitely those are not sturdy after some time, so those channels, they usually do not in function. So this is how you can use this metal bed. This is very sturdy, very light. So this is the view once you put pillows and cover on it. And if you can see from the side, it looks really cool, so you don't need to worry about that whether you can see some metal bars around it. So after putting this mattresses, it looks really good. So I have used this Vestmarka 7 inches thick and 7 feet long, 2.5 feet wide mattresses. So it costs around 7,500 each. And definitely because this is 7 feet long, it's very good and comfortable to sleep on. So this is how its entire look and feel. I'm very happy to purchase this one. If you want to buy a bed sheet, so this is Jattevallmo Bedsheet, which costs around 650 rupees. I'm using 2 mattresses, so definitely I have purchased 2 bed sheets, so every time I no need to reshape my bed sheet again and again. So this is how even you can plan to buy 2 bed sheet if you are looking for your bed. So the moment I expand this bed, so this is how it looks like. The reason to buy 7 inches mattresses, the moment you will sleep on it, you feel so comfortable, and it's not like that you want, definitely, because this particular